plate ready?
Yep.
You know, I always wondered when Ford was going to make a vehicle that was between my Fusion and something a little bit more capable that wasn't an SUV that every soccer mom drove. I wanted something just as fuel efficient as my Ford Fusion, but also having a utilitarian design in mind. Like a truck, but also that drives like a car. The Honda Ridgeline was out of the question because it looked too much like a car, GM and Toyota didn't have any products that I liked, and then Ford came out with this little truck. At first I was hesitant about it, but then I decided to pick it up.
You need a ride?
Sure, let's get in.
Alright.
It's more like my Fusion than an actual truck. I mean, after all, it's based on the Ford Focus frame, and at this point I put 2,000 miles on it, and it's pretty much got the same gas mileage as my Fusion, and it's given me some time to get preoccupied doing more tutorial videos. After all, my Ford Fusion has 196,000 miles on it, so I needed something a little bit more reliable, even though I maintain my Ford Fusion religiously. Now, since I moved up here to the Pacific Northwest, I wanted to get into off-roading, but I didn't want to get something too crazy, and every time I hit the gas pedal, I didn't want it to be hurting my wallet, especially since I'm trying to settle up here. And I have to admit, when I saw this at SEMA, I said, this is replacing my Fusion. Call it what you may, whether it be a truck or a car. I see it as useful as my Leatherman. It's got everything that you need, and it's not specific to one job. It is the Swiss Army knife of cars. It may not be the most off-road capable vehicle out on the market, nor does it have the highest tow rating, or the reliability of the 8-speed transmission might regret my purchase. But after all, as long as I have fun, isn't that what counts? Trust me, I'll take this thing apart, put it back together, and see if we could have fun with it. And may I suggest hitting that subscribe button, that bell notification for a review and tutorial videos of this truck. And let me know in the comments below if you have a Maverick yourself, pre-ordered one, or just looking what's in the market right now. Other than that, enjoy the rest of this footage.